Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Studio open, so begin by creating a new base plate and naming your place for the training. Next, enable Explorer and Properties so you can see and edit objects. Make sure to save to the cloud or locally. Now sketch the core loop, checkpoints, scoring, and fail states. Once done, place a simple spawn and a checkpoint part and assign an identifiable color. This immediate structure avoids wasted setup time and gets you building the first playable segment fast. You will implement the mechanics next. Start by tagging checkpoint parts with collection service. This makes iteration easy. Then write a server script to track players. Listen for touches, validate checkpoints, and update leader stats points. Make sure to debounce touches to prevent duplicates and to save progress to data store or temporary memory. Once checkpoints work, add a GUI with a progress bar and timer so players see feedback. This improves retention and clarifies objectives in real time. Wrap up by polishing visuals and balancing difficulty. Add sound cues, particles, and gradually faster obstacles so training scales. Publish the place and test with multiple clients using Start Server and Start Player in Studio to mimic real conditions. When things go wrong, open the output and trace errors. Check variable scope and remote event usage between server and client. Finally, iterate on telemetry. Log checkpoint times, then adjust obstacles until the training feels challenging but fair for new players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.